Okay. So, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with individual or independent samples?
Simple random. Normally distributed unless it's large.
Well, the mean has to be, no, I guess it doesn't necessarily have to be greater than 0, does it?
No.
I don't
The
think
only
so.
two requirements for this is the simple random sample, and then the mean just has to be normal.
Doesn't it have to be normally distributed or a large sample size though?
Yes, but the sample size.
That's the parent. Like, if the parent is large or is normally distributed or the sample size is large, then your X bar will be normally distributed.
Yeah.
So it is both of those, right? That's what we're saying. Okay.
Okay. So now the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Two samples are independent if
Knowing which subjects in group 1 will tell you nothing about group 2.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're on number 6. Okay. So with this information, what is the degrees of freedom?
So, Monica, when you put this into the SPS or the SPSS, to get it'd be an independent samples test, right? You go analyze, compare means.
Yeah.
So and you put your variables as the Dennis bill, and then your grouping variable, did you put in the city?
Yeah.
What did you type in for like defining the groups?
I kind of just do 1 and 2, or I just do name whatever I want. But I've never gotten it to work.
Hey, because I can't get it to work.
Because it always just says incomplete data. You can't.
Yeah.
Nothing shows up.
It just says groups subcommand specifies an unknown variable.
Yeah.
No. Is the SPSF being retarded again?
Yeah. I got, what is it that we're looking for? The degrees of freedom. Let's see. So I don't know if it's right, but 39 is what I got.
When I put in Excel, I got 37.996. But
okay, well, I trust your Excel.
37.996.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what you guys get for this simple or sample standard deviation?
I got 208.875, but I don't know about that one either.
Because they're like just 2 off like every time from what I got.
What did you get?
206.637.
This is so dumb.
Yeah. Where's the data? I'll just re-put it in, see what I get. Okay, so for this one, we're using the dentist bill one, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and for the first variable that's Idaho Falls. So Idaho Falls is this. Come on. Come on.
I get the same.
Oh, dang it. What are the parameters of this test? Is it the confidence interval 90?
I thought it was 95.
Is it 95? It should be 90 because A is 10. So subtract that from 100, it's 90.
Well, maybe that's my problem.
And it's not nope, it's less than. And then so yeah, so
I still get 208.875.
okay, so there's two answers. What's it looking for? So we're looking for the simple or sample standard deviation for Rexburg. And so the standard deviation for Idaho Falls is 208.875. And
Yep. Okay.
Rexburg
Standard
is
deviation for
206.
Rexburg is 206.637.
Yeah.
206
Got it.
point.
And did you guys get the test statistic?
Well, what I got.
Is your SPS working?
I just used Excel. Or are you talking to her?
Well, JC, are you using it?
Yeah, I am. And I got the sample statistic or the standard deviation and stuff, but I just don't know how to do like the t-score because the t-score I got for it was 8.439.
Yeah, because I got negative 0.434.
Oh gosh. Do I have to change it like to the 90%?
Maybe try that.
Oh gosh.
Well, I guess I can double check real quick because mine's probably a little quicker. 9.5. It shouldn't change your t-value. It should only change your confidence interval.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But with SPSF, whatever you get, it should give you the right answer, right? Or it's supposed to.
Well, it's supposed to, but it won't even like analyze it. It'll just See, not enough.
No, so did you not get an answer, or
Well, I did it the other way,
like the formula?
or I plugged it in and not an independent sample test and just like a normal T evaluation.
Yeah.
But that gave me the wrong one. Because when I do try to do the independent one, it just says subcommand must specify either a numeric value or a short string value. But I have no idea what that means.
Is there a way to like show your screen on these things?
I have no
I
idea.
have no idea. If there is, I do not know how to do it. Because I watched the video of like how to put it in and stuff, and I did exactly what they did.
This is what mine looks like when you do it on like just Excel. Can you see that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so because you just have your two variable columns and you plug it in, and then it gives you your answers based on whether you change your confidence interval, your type test, and whatnot. And it gives you all your answers.
So does Excel just do this for you, or did you have to like buy a program inside Excel?
It just does it for you because there's so in the textbook there's a program that has like all your like how you can have test sample, your paired sample, and it will change each time. So like if I go, where is it? So yeah, like I can change it to this is a paired, and then there's your one sample, and then I just have to plug in the data each time.
So this is just a template that you pulled up?
Yeah, it's in your book. I don't know. It seems to be easy and reliable because there's also in your book all the data files in Excel,
Mm-hmm.
so you don't even have to use SPSF, just because everything is converted into Excel as well.
Well then.
I think I need to go look at this, and I think I also wasted $60. Or however much it was.
Well, because wait, are you saying did you pay for the SPSF?
Yeah, we had to buy it.
Yeah.
But okay. Well,
Okay.
do whatever you guys do.
So what did you get? You got negative 4 point.
Yeah, negative 0.434.
Wait, what was that again?
Negative 0.434.
Okay, I forgot that before.
And then p-value, I got
So
0.333.
A little more to make up for that.
I got 0.332.
Yeah, because mine it says 0.33327.
Mine says
So did you just
0.33321.
Yeah, that's what I got.
oh so it only has 3 2s or 3 3s or 2 3s?
Yeah.
0.3321 is what I get.
Freaking technology. You should give us the same answer.
For real.
Yeah.
Now the question is, if we're that different, will it make a difference in the actual answer?
Well, you just typed in the 0.434 in the applet, right?
No, I just use the same Excel thing.
Oh. I put it in the applet.
Yeah, I did too.
Okay. Well, they're 0.001 off. So,
We'll see how it goes.
well, with this, we should fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
And that means we have insufficient evidence that the mean bills are different,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
And now using other information,
Yay.
what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis?
I want to say not equal to, but
Yeah, that's what I'd say because it says, where is it? So yeah, so you suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado.
Yeah.
So, if the hypothesis test is you're assuming it's the same, but then you suspect it might be different.
yeah.
Okay, where's the data set?
I don't get this.
Yeah. It didn't work.
I did get it cannot be computed because one of the things is empty, so that's different than last time.
I've gotten that before and I hate it.
Last time it wouldn't even do anything, so.
Yeah, last time it didn't do anything for me.
What the heck?
This is so stupid.
And that is why I use Excel.
Yeah.
It actually makes sense.
That's what I was gonna say. Whatever.
Well, it's just dumb because it's like you provide us with this, or you don't even provide us. You tell us to pay for this program, and it doesn't even friggin' work.
Yeah.
Wait, couldn't you have gotten the program for free though?
No,
Use the program for free,
no.
or using the VMware, or whatever.
Oh well, yeah. I guess you could have done that, but that's not. Okay, so fine. But wait.
And then this test is 0.5, right? Or 9.5.
0.95.
And then the type of test is not equal to?
Yeah.
What are you
Okay.
doing? Or are you just double
So-
checking your
Yeah, I just
Okay.
am re-putting it in.
Okay.
Okay, so what you guys get for the test statistic, or did you not get an answer?
I got cannot be calculated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well,
Yep.
I got negative 0.845.
8, 4, 5. Was that negative or positive?
Negative.
I knew it.
0.845.
Yeah.
I need to go figure out this whole Excel thing because I'm over this.
I know. Seriously.
So then I get 0.1991 for the
Did-
p-value.
Did you select both?
When I do that, I get 0.398.
Yeah, that's what I got.
The p-value I got 0.411.
So we're slightly off again.
Yeah, but a little more this time.
Just good stuff.
I hate this.
It's so dumb.
Like, yeah, it's like you should get the same answer if you do it different ways. Like,
Yeah.
Well, but then it kind of just like begs the question: how only one answer, or like, is there a range?
yeah, I don't know.
I don't either. I guess we'll see what happens when we submit it.
Okay,
Yeah, that's true.
and then with that, it's failed to reject.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait. Yes.
Okay, so now determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. So
Okay.
I did this a little differently, but yeah. I used just the confidence intervals that it gave me, and then I used that to solve for the margin of error.
Oh.
Because the confidence interval is negative 5.147 and 2.214.
Definitely did not get any of those answers.
Me neither.
Oh, man.
I got 11.96
Yeah.
and 18.
Oh, man.
So, it's good stuff. Absolutely ridiculous.
I guess. Maybe I'm off. Because, so confidence interval should be a certain amount around the, like, mean, right?
Yeah. What'd you get for the mean? Because I got 15.2.
13.2. So that's for one of them. And then the other one is 16.
So for 16.6, yeah. So for Colorado,
Okay, I remember what I did. Because it's saying, so find the confidence interval of the mean of 1 minus the mean of 2. So it's like the difference one.
yeah.
So you have the mean of 1 is 15.2. And then the mean of 2 is 16.667, which gives you around like 1 something, like 1.4.
Yeah.
And then you do that, and then you get, so that's your mean average, I guess. And then you're finding a confidence interval around that. And then the mean confidence interval I got was, or from the program, was negative 5.147 and 2.214. And then if you make the negative positive and divide that, you get, I think, a certain, what do you get? Can't remember exactly how I did it.
What's the T
The T
star
is,
thing,
I'm not sure, because I tried to plug it in manually, and I didn't know if like, normally you would use the, like, wait, I don't remember. It's either point or negative 845 or the 1.96 or whatever.
Because
One
it
of us.
says, okay, so 1.533. Because it says to get the t-value or whatever from the table. Of course, it's probably our t-score. Is that our t-score? It says to get it from the table or something, but I don't know what table it's talking about.
The one that's like corresponding between like the 90th percentile one is 0.457 or whatever. And then the 95th percentile is 1.96. And then the 99 percentile is like 1 point
So
whatever.
it's just the same as the last ones?
I think
Like,
so.
because it said, anyway, okay. So if I calculate margin of error, I get 3.006.
Yeah. And then I calculated it as 3.681. Doing it this way. Remember last time I tried to plug it in and we got a pretty close answer to what it was supposed to be. But if you looked at the confidence interval, it was like, I guess, a little more accurate or whatever.
Well,
We got
I
that
did
one.
it like, I calculated it through the formula.
Yeah. Like that's what we did last week or Tuesday and we got it wrong.
Did we?
And then the right answer was like 0.4 off. And that's about the same as it is now.
Okay, so what's
So,
the one that you did?
3.38. You can try to put it in, and I can keep mine open, and we can change whatever.
3.380?
3.681.
Wow. Okay, 681. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay,
Oof.
17.
Then negative 5.147.
This is so not even close to what I got. Well,
Nope.
are we talking Utah? Nope, didn't get that either. Where are you?
No,
Or
because
unless it's the difference.
yeah, it's the difference. So look at the like information for these problems. It's saying determine the 95 percentile interval for mu1 minus mu2.
Yeah.
So you take the two means and minus each other, and you get a certain value. And then you do interval.
Okay.
No, okay. So yeah, and then the upper bound was 2.214.
Okay, I'll submit mine first. Okay, so I missed number 16, and I put in the 3.368.
Number 16. Okay, did you miss 17 and 18?
17 and 18 are correct. Also missed 14.
14, what you put?
I put 0.398. Did we
Try
have
putting
something else for that one?
0.411.
0.411.
Or I guess I can submit mine so I got, right?
So try the 3.006 for
For which one?
16, so 3.0.
06. It says that the answer shown in SPS is slightly higher than in Excel, so the answer given is the average between the two results. Your answer should be close to the answer shown. Okay, just
So
try
you
this.
put. Okay, so 3.681.
Yeah,
So
what did you put
3
for 16?
For
I
16, I
put
put. No, there you go.
3.368, and that was wrong. When I calculated, I got 3.006, but I don't know if you guys got something
Wait, did you
else.
put 3.368 or 3.681?
I put 3.368.
Oh, because I have 3.681, not 3861.
Okay, well.
Okay, I'm just gonna enter mine and see what it is, and then we can change anything after that. Okay, so submit quiz, yes. So I got 100%.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
16
Well,
is what?
so yes. So 16 is okay. 3.681.
Okay. How about 14?
14 is 0.411.
Okay. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything else.
oh, okay.
Okay, well, sweet.
Okay, and did you guys want to see how you get to the Excel stuff in case you want to use it for like the homework or something?
Yes.
Okay, let me
Yes.
figure out how you do it. You
I
guys,
missed number 7.
let me see. Where is
7
it?
is 206.637.
Oh, okay. 3, 6, 7. Okay.
0.637.
0.637.
206.637. Yep.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so to do that, where's my book? Okay. How do I do that again? It's a screenshot. Application. Okay. Okay. So your book, to view the files, you go to data files in the like top spot.
Okay. Okay.
And then it should be all these files are in Excel
Mm-hmm.
format. And then if you go down, it's in SPSF. So there's your files. But to find the templates is, what is that? Just normal book. Nope, that's the wrong thing. Okay, so we're in chapter 13, right?
Yep.
We have a test coming up. Great.
Okay, so in Excel, there's this thing. Where is it? Okay. So there's quantitative inference protocols or
Mm-hmm.
procedures. Click that, and it'll show 3 things up. You click the interference one, and then that should pop up that template.
Okay. I'll have to mess around with it and try it.
Yeah, me too.
And then,
Thanks, Mac.
no problem. Oh gosh.
Mm.